Good morning, traders, and welcome to Daily Call today, Thursday, the 2nd of November. Before we get started, as always, please understand that any advice in today's session is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration. Okay, let's kick off and have a look at what's happened overnight in the US. We had ADP job numbers come in strong at 235,000 to the 200,000 forecast. Is a good sign post-hurricane incidents that we've recently had. And also, the ADP numbers is often seen as a prelude to the non-farm numbers, which are due out tomorrow. The manufacturing numbers were a little bit down at 58.7. Crude oil inventories at minus 2.4 million. Look, the main attention last night was on the FOMC statement, which basically did not surprise the market as officials voted unanimously to leave interest rates unchanged while signalling they do remain on track for one more rate increase this year. So the market was pretty much expecting that, and it didn't have the major impact because they delivered pretty much what they were thinking would happen. In the UK, we had better than expected manufacturing numbers, gave the sterling a bit of a boost with the PMI numbers coming in at 56.3 to the 55.8 forecast. Those gains were not long-lived though, as the GBP looks like it will end. The candle finishes in about 10 minutes, lower than where it began. Most likely it's the anticipation for monetary policy release, which is due tonight. In New Zealand, we had the jobless rate fall to a 9-year low with unemployment numbers coming in strong. Consequently, Kiwi jumped around about 50 pips at the time of the news release. It has lost a little bit of ground since then, mainly due to US dollar strength. So that's pretty much what's happened overnight. It is now time to have a look at our chart of the day, and the chart that we have found this morning is it's a GBP CAD on a daily time frame, something a little bit different. This is based on a fish and strip strategy from one of the masterclass strategies that we teach. So if you know the strategy, you'll understand the setup. It's there at the time of this screenshot. There's about 50 minutes for the candle to finish. It looks like it will complete back inside under the Bollingers, so that would make it a complete setup. Just confirm when you look at your charts, there will probably be one extra candle to the right of that red one, but it is a fish and strip setup. There you have it. If you do have any questions on this strategy, just get in contact with us and we'll be more than happy to assist you with it. So chart of the day, GBP CAD on a daily time frame fish and strip strategy. Okay, so what's happening in the session that is about to unfold? It is quite a busy session. Starting off at 11:30 from locally from Australia, we have trade balance numbers are due. 8:30 later tonight. It's a busy night for in the UK. We have GBP construction PMI. And then at 11 o'clock from the GBP, we have the inflation report. But the big one is the monetary policy statement, the official bank rate, and the official bank votes. Nobody thinks they will move on the interest rate. What the policy statement says will be important, but the voting seems to be the one that in recent times has affected the market the most, as to see how united they are on their feelings towards their monetary policy. So that's all due at 11 o'clock. And then at 11:30 we have the Governor Carney will be speaking from the UK, and also 11:30 unemployment claims from the US. So that's all the news in the session that is about to kick off. As always, guys, please feel free to contact us if you do have any questions. Follow me on Twitter at ChatFX for trade setups and breaking news. Most importantly, hope you all have a fantastic trading day. I will talk to you tomorrow on the Daily Call. Bye for now.